Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 8th CBSE Maths Factorization Exercise 4.1. Question number 1 in that 5th and 6th sum we are going to see in this video. Now let's see the question. Find the common factors of the given terms. So we need to find the common factor of the 3 terms. 3 terms means it should be common to all these 3 terms. Now let me take A given first term ABC. If I factorize this, always factorize the number. If I factorize 6, it becomes 2 into 3. Leave all the variables. I'll teach you how to take common factor of the variables. Now go ahead with 24 AB square. Number 24 is, let me do my factorization so that it will be easy for you to find it. So it goes in 2 tables because in the unit digit we have 2, if we have 2, 4, 8, 6, 0, it goes in 2 tables. So 2 ones are 2, now 2 twos are 4. So again it goes in 2 table, 2 6 are 12. Again it goes in 2 table, 2 threes are 6. So your factorization will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Leave the variables, we'll see it later. Now here 12 A square B. For 12 from here it is 12 factorization. So I don't want to do it again. I'll write it from there. It is 2 into 2 into 3. Now circle the common terms. We have 2 and then we have 3. So from the first, any one of the term, take the common. Whether you can take this or this or this. I am taking the first term means everything is the same. Here also it is 2 and 3. Here also it is 2 and 3. Everything will be same. So common factors are 2 into 3, and also we need to check the variables. If we check the variables, here we can see A, B, C, here A and B, then A and B. So C is not there. So C will not be common to all the 3. We'll go with A first. A, for the common factor we need to take the least power. Here the power of A is 1, here also 1, here it is 2. So the least power is 1. So A power 1 will be your common factor. Same way for B. We know that B is power 1. We have power 2. So B. Here it is 6AB. So common factor is 6AB. Now we'll move on to the next sum. For the next sum, it is 16x cube minus 4x square. Next 36x. Sorry, 32x. Now for 16 it is, let me leave all the variables. 16 is 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are. Here you can write it 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. For minus 4, leave all the signs. Just write the numbers, no problem, I return. Now we know that for 4 it is 2 into 2, and for 32 it is, for 32 again it goes in 2 tables. 2 ones are 2. I know that 2 ones are 2 and I get a remainder 1. Dividing the 3 with 2 will get a remainder 1. Write the remainder here. Now 2 into 6 are 12. Same way it goes in 2 tables because of 6. Now 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are. Here we have 5 2s. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So round the common numbers. They should be common in all the 3. Though we have common numbers of this 2, we can't take it. Which should be common to all the 3. So your common factors are, from 1 it is 2 into 2. And for variables, leave the sign. No need of sign. We know everything is x with the least power. Least power is 1. So into x, which is 4x. So 4x is your final answer for the sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.